Right, welcome back to ADHD for Dummies. As you know, the bogey on the lagoon. Yeah, so, discussion for today. Even though it probably does look like it, but I'm in day 3 of withdrawal. Now, withdrawal from what? Antidepressants. When I was younger, party a lot. I've got no more serotonin receptors, right, or transmitters or whatever. Same with dopamine, same with neuroepinephrine. Once you understand you have ADHD, you can understand what chemicals does what to your body and your brain and your mood. Once you understand that, everything that was almost unmanageable, once you realize what chemical it causes it, you can manage it with something different if you don't have your medication. There's always a way. Always. As long as you understand the roadmap. Body, mind, seal. What's seal in English? Higher self. Right? So, body, mind, higher self. Those are the 3. Once you understand what they do, right, and how they work together, and how they affect your reality and the people around you, you can manage it. So, normally, when I hit day 3 of withdrawal, I'm volatile. Like, I am looking for a fight just to get the adrenaline, etc. to run. Because normal situations, normal life does not do anything for me or my mind. It has to be either 0 or 100. There's no in between. Like, I go full force. Go big or go home. But what it does teach you is how much medication actually helps. And I've tried getting off of it. Listen, if you go on antidepressants, I tried being off it for a year. I was in withdrawal for a year. Be careful of that stuff. Same with Ritalin. Ritalin is hectic, bro. I don't know how you people give that for kids. That's insane. That stuff will, that stuff will make you see stuff, man. Anyways, learn the chemicals, learn your body, learn what they do, and hack your mind, bro. There's always a way. Peace out.